Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can pin your tabs in Google Chrome. Pinning your tabs in Google Chrome gives you an advantage that whenever you pin it, there are very less chances that you close it by mistake. And also, it gets locked in the task pane. So you have very easy access to it whenever you want. You can pin any of the important tabs that you don't want to get accidentally closed. So let's see how you can pin a tab in Google Chrome. First, let's open our Google Chrome, and now let's open multiple tabs. Now we have some tabs right here. Now, for example, let's say we want to pin this particular tab here. So what you simply need to do is just right click on this tab. Now here in a variety of options, you just need to click on the pin option. Now here you go. The tab has been successfully pinned, and as you can see that it does not have any close button right next to it. So the chances of accidental closing are very minimized. Also, its position is fixed. Even if we add multiple tabs or another tabs, this tab won't move. So you can close other tabs, but this tab will stay right where it is. And now, to unpin this tab, what you simply need to do is just right click on it and hit the unpin button. Now your tab is back to default and you can close it simply like this. Now, if you find this trick helpful, make sure that you like this video, comment on it, share it, and subscribe our channel as well. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.